Once upon a time, Nissan made this. And now, they make this. So what the hell happened? Well, strap in because it really went downhill the moment that Nissan shook hands with Renault. It's 1999. Nissan was bleeding money, like you need to sell your organs kind of broke. They were $20 billion in debt and had a boring lineup. And honestly, they were this close to flatlining. So they made a call to the French. Renault steps in, flexes $5.4 billion and goes, "Allons-y, we fix you." That handshake, historic. But maybe also the beginning of the end. Carlos Ghosn, the guy who turned Nissan into a profit machine. He walks in like a CEO version of John Wick, lays off over 21,000 people, slashes costs, streamlines operations. He becomes a rock star in Japan, literally. Manga comics were made out of it. But here's the kicker. The whole revival plan came at a price. Gone were the days of silky smooth inline sixes and bulletproof SR20s. Enter the reign of CVTs made by Genco. Transmissions that drove like a blender on cough syrup. Nissan started chasing volume and not greatness. They were building cars like they were ordering IKEA furniture. Fast, cheap, and meh. The alliance helped Nissan survive, but it also watered down the soul of the brand. Then, plot twist, Ghosn gets arrested in Japan for financial misconduct, underreporting income, using company funds for mansions. And then, this dude escapes in a literal music box. You can't make this up. He's now living in Lebanon, eating hummus and denying everything. With Ghosn gone, the relationship turned into a passive-aggressive relationship. Renault wanted more power, Nissan said nah. Sales tanked, innovation stalled, and the once vibrant brand reduced to bland crossovers and baddie retrieval vehicles. But wait, plot twist 2.0. Rumors came in flying that Nissan might be sliding into Honda's DMs. Earlier this year, the two were reportedly in discussions about partnerships in electric vehicle tech and R&D. However, that fell through due to disagreements over proposed corporate structure. Honda wanted to be the parent company with Nissan as a subsidiary. A proposal that Nissan's management rejected as it wanted to be an equal partner. Like a petty man trying to split a bill. Imagine that. Nissan performance with Honda reliability. If these two icons actually teamed up, it could have been the reboot that Nissan. Yes. We might have just seen the return of proper sports cars and innovation, not just badly engineered crossovers. The Renault-Nissan deal saved the company, but it cost them their soul. What do you think could have been Nissan's saving grace? If Nissan-Renault was the survival arc, then Nissan-Honda could have just been the redemption story. But was it all worth it? Drop your favorite Nissan sports car in the comments. Let's see, do you know more? And don't forget, like, sub, and hit that bell so you don't miss another video from me, Kopano. And this has been Ship Videos.